This video we're going to cover how to replace a fan on the NS7150, 7250 and 7350. There are 5 fans on the chassis here. They're labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 3 screws that secures the cover for the fans. Let's remove the screws. Place them somewhere safe. Lift the cover off, place to the side. We're going to assume number 4 is the defective fan. So to remove it, just pull up and come slide. So this is the connector that goes into the chassis there. Bring in the fan from the static bag that it was shipped into. Again, make sure the alignment is correct before we push into the socket there. And press, you hear click, that fan is back in place.